Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. I don't know about you, but when I want to get a lot done, I love checklists. And decluttering is one of those things. It can often feel like it's an impossible task, and it can feel overwhelming, frustrating, because you don't know where to begin or how to get started. But it really doesn't have to be that way, especially if you use a checklist. So I created something called the Quick Start Home Decluttering Checklist for two big reasons. One is to show you where to begin, so you can feel that instant relief of that area of your home that bothers you the most. And it also will show you how to get started so you can quickly experience the impact of less clutter and what that feels like, so you'll know exactly what to find when you're looking for it. So once you identify a cluttered area of your home that bothers you the most, and once you take those first steps to reduce and remove the clutter, you'll automatically start feeling a sense of relief, because you're going to notice a difference with what it feels like to live with less clutter and what a difference that can make in your life. So this is a step-by-step guide checklist that will help you gain momentum, because you'll get motivated to identify the next area of your home that bothers you, that you want to deal with, and then the next, and then the next. So that's why the Quick Start Guide for home decluttering is like no other checklist that you've probably used before. So if you want to get started, I'm going to ask you to print out the home decluttering checklist, the Quick Start Guide. It's on my website, Rita Wilkins at ritawilkins.com. And then we can go through this step by step, or you can go through it yourself step by step. There is a link below for you to download it, or if you can't find that, then email me at ritawilkins at ritawilkins.com. So if you have the checklist at your side, step one is to identify a cluttered area of your home that bothers you the most, and you're determined, why to understand why it bothers you so much. So for me, it was always my master bedroom closet. And it bothered me because I could never find what I needed. It was taking way too much time to get dressed. And many of the clothes that were in my closet were outdated. They no longer fit. And I hadn't even worn many of them in years. So that was step number one. And also in that step, to clarify a specific goal for decluttering that area because it bothers you the most. So in my master bedroom closet, I knew I wanted to be able to find clothes that I wanted when I needed them. I didn't have to keep digging through there. And you want to reduce the number of clothes in your closet, so that what was only fitting me were the things that I knew I would wear. They fit properly and they look good on me. So the third step is to create a vision for what your life is going to be like after you've decluttered that area. So for me, once I decluttered that master bedroom closet, it was like another whole world opened up to me. Number one, I found things I didn't know I had, but number two, the things that I, were just sitting there were no longer there. So in that closet, I had successfully decluttered it. It was easier, it was faster to find the clothing that I wanted, because I knew everything in there was going to fit. And that everything fit me well, and it looked good on me because I had already screened it and edited it. So then the third step in the home decluttering checklist, the Quick Start Guide, second step, is to use this checklist that you've already printed out and identify other areas of your home that bother you because they're so cluttered. And then remove all the excess items, the duplicates, the damaged goods that need to be cluttered. And this could be, say, your kitchen pantry. It could be your kitchen cabinet, one at a time. And remember to keep only those items that you need, you use, and you will love. And as you remove each item from that area, use the checklist to identify items that need to be cluttered. So in your kitchen cabinet, as an example, is, what the mugs that are chipped, or the mugs that you have way too many. Plastic lids, we all know about the plastic lids that nothing ever fits. So find those lids that do fit and then get rid of the rest. The small appliances that you really don't use anymore, you bought because it was kind of a gimmick and it sounded good. Coupons, we have coupons in our drawers and things that are outdated, magazines and so forth. So once you have identified those things, use the checklist to help you know what needs to be decluttered. And then one little step here, make sure you take before and after pictures so you can remind yourself of the progress that you've made. And then step 3 is keeping it decluttered. So, excuse me, challenge yourself to find a specific item in your in that area that you just decluttered. And now that each of your items has a home, you see if you can find it and challenge yourself to find that item that you previously had difficulty finding. So for me, it was a particular dress that I loved wearing, and it was hidden in my closet before, but now it isn't hidden. So other things might be that remote control, the reading glasses, whatever it is. And if you knew exactly where to find that item and you could retrieve it quickly, well, congratulations. And it does feel great. And then if you were not able to find it, excuse me, I've got allergies. If you are not able to find it, identify a specific place in your home where you would like to be able to find it, and so you'll know exactly where it is when you need it. And that could be your keys, it could be glasses, remote, and so forth. And make sure to put it back in that same place every single time. And then repeat that challenge for other items that you previously had difficulty finding and could no longer find. So this is the gist of the home decluttering checklist, the quick start guide. And then when you download it, you're going to see different areas of your home. So it's your pantry, your kitchen, your bathroom, your medicine cabinet, all of those areas like that. You're going to be able to then use that to go ahead and do the checklist, and hopefully it's going to help you declutter. Anyway, let me know how it goes. And you can always email me at ritawilkins@ritawilkins.com. Thanks.